Hi folks, and welcome to Global Education Zone. And this episode I'm going to be teaching you guys how to construct a triangle equal in area to a given triangle but on a different base. So basically, all you need to do is you extend the base. So I'll extend the base now. So assuming you have a triangle on a base, let's say AD. So this is the new base AD. That's AD is for the new triangle, whereas AB was for the previous triangle. Now the first thing you need to do is you join C to D. So that's this C to this D. You join C to D. So having done that, the next step is to draw BE parallel to DC. So I'll draw a line from B that is parallel to DC. So that I'll put my set square on DC and draw a line parallel to it passing through B. So this is the line, it's passing through B, so I'll draw the line. So you can see it cuts the triangle at, let's call it E. It cuts it at E. And next step is to join E to D. So when we join E to D, so I'll do it in probably, so this is ED. So AED is a required triangle. So you can see that this AED is a new triangle, AED, and it is a triangle that is on a different base but is equal in area.